Hey guys, welcome to another episode of YaadMentz Tries. Alright, so first off the bat, we want you to hit that subscription button. If you're a first timer, hit that subscription button. Also hit the notification bell so you can get updates or a notification when the new video drops. So subscribe. That's the first thing off the bat, right?
Yes.
So what are we doing today?
Alright, so today we got a suggestion actually from one of our subscribers to do Miss Birdie. Now most people know Miss Birdie for crackers. I think crackers is probably the most popular
I think
thing.
that was the first thing that they really put on the market.
So most people know Miss Birdie crackers, but recently they have come out with some baked products.
Right.
So today we'll be trying 3 of those baked products.
Right.
One is Miss Birdie Twist. One is Miss Birdie Sugar Bun, and the other one is Miss Birdie Rock Cake.
Right.
So I'm pretty excited to try these. You know, anything sweet I'm down for.
She's a sweet freak.
So yes, and please remember when we post a preview of this video on our Instagram page at YaadMentz, please remember to at Miss Birdie or at Purity, because Purity does Miss Birdie.
Right. To
let them know that we did this video so they can check out our review of their products.
Right. Today's like a sweet treat.
Yes.
You know, the packages, you know, in theme, you can see the Miss Birdie and the red and the yellow and
it's
stuff.
definitely consistent right across
the product line. And also when you look at it, it's right there, made in Jamaica.
Yes,
you know
so
what
pick
I
up
mean?
yourself, Miss Birdie Purity, made in Jamaica, made fresh in Jamaica.
For real.
Yes.
So sugar bun, rat cake, and twist. I mean, I think they're all like Jamaican type sweet treats. No?
I don't think so.
Okay.
Probably the rock cake.
Yeah.
But I think a lot of people have like this is kind of similar to like croissants and bread that people in England.
It's just sweet. Okay. Alright, so first off the pot, I think I want to go with the I think I'm gonna go with the rock bun first.
Why?
Rock cake because it's tough. I feel
like I wanted to go with the twist first.
You want to go with the twist?
Yeah.
I like rock, paper, scissors for who go first.
Okay.
Rock, paper, scissors. Me. So I get to choose first, and we're going with the rock cake. So this is the rock cake. Alright, pinch off piece.
Please wait.
I'm smelling it.
I think I gonna eat it in a people because I don't know what I'm saying. Love rush thing.
Smell nice.
Alright.
Cheers.
Cheers.
No.
I like it.
It's not too sweet. First of the box. It's not full of raisin.
Yeah, but it does have raisins, but it's not like overwhelming.
Right. On the package is like 10 grams of sugar, 180 calories. It's good. I like it.
Yeah, I like it as well. In terms of moisture, I think it has the right amount of moisture. If you guys know what rock cake is,
rock cake normally it's dry.
It's not usually like a moist kind of treat. But sometimes when it dry, it really is not appealing.
Yeah.
So I think they got the moisture ratio very good.
Moisture dry ratio, right?
Very good in this in this rock cake. So I definitely really like this one. It's really nice. The flavors as well are pretty good as well. Nothing is really overpowering. I feel like it's very balanced in terms of the ingredients.
Right.
So would you give them a YaadMentz?
I'll give them a thumbs up for the rock cake.
Yeah, I will give them a thumbs up as well. So thumbs up for the first item, the rock cake.
Alright.
So can we do the one that I want to do now?
I mean, yeah, let's go with the twist.
Alright, the twist, it's really long. It looks like a lot. It looks shareable.
Right. And it has
jelly in the middle. So what I'm going to do is I pinch off a piece of this. And then I'm going to dip it in some jelly that's right here. So I get a little bit of the jelly on it. Wow. Give me some.
You're going to take off everything?
No, I'm going to take off everything.
Smell nice. Smells sweet.
Yeah, it smells sweet. Wow.
I'm going to
so annoying.
This is nice. Again, I mean, not too sweet. Even the jelly is not too sweet.
Yeah.
8 grams of sugar, 170 calories. I mean, this is not bad. This is a little less sweeter than the wrap bun, but it's nice.
It's nice. I agree with Sean.
Yeah.
It's less sweet than the wrap bun, but at the same time, you have to remember that this has jelly in it, and jelly is already sweet. So because you're eating it with the jelly, I guess you can't make the bread part of it
Too sweet.
itself too sweet, because then it would just be overpowering.
True. That's
but
true.
true, I like it. It's very moist as well. It's not dry.
It's not dry.
The bread is very flavorful. They have the right amount of spices and all around there. So I definitely enjoy this one too.
Yeah, that one. The twist was good as well. I think it's something nice. It's tryable.
You know what would be nice with this, guys? Cheese. Y'all, cheese would be so nice with this, no?
Some pear. She don't like pear, but I'll eat it with pear.
Pear is in avocado, guys.
Avocado,
in
right.
Jamaica, we call it pear.
Avocado.
We call it avocado pear.
Right. So last but not least is the sugar bun. 9 grams of sugar, 170 calories.
They're kind of similar though. Most of them say 170 calories.
Grams line.
Yeah. So it looks like a swirl. It looks like a cinnamon roll or something like that. And it looks like it does have cinnamon like within the swirl.
And raisins.
Raisins in there as well?
Yeah.
Oh. You eat this already?
No.
You're waiting.
Yeah, I'm waiting because
you're nice.
I don't want you to say you have brush off before you whatever.
You're nice. Guys, I was trying to beat him a while ago. Fail. Epic fail.
Oh, we didn't grade the twist.
Twist is a thumbs up. Oh, we could not forget to do that. Twist is a thumbs up.
Yeah.
Definitely.
You know, when I think about sugar bun, I think they should have some sprinkles of sugar on it. Probably that's like a bit too sugary, but sugar bun
I
normally
got some sugars on mine though.
Sugar we normally have some sprinkles of sugar bun normally have sprinkles of sugar on it.
Isn't the sugar like in the middle, like in the swirl? Take piece more. Because I felt like I got a little sugar in mine.
No, well.
Yes,
well.
I'm telling you.
You can see the sugar.
Yeah, but at the same time, you don't want to make it too sweet.
Right,
you know what I mean? So I did get sugar on my pizza.
Well, the sugar bun that I'm used to growing up, you normally have like
it's
sugar
diabetes. Thank you, Purity, for looking out for our health. We really do appreciate it.
Yeah, the sugar level, they're on a nice like down.
Moderate. It's moderate, I feel like.
It's like 10 go down.
What?
10 go down. It's like it starts with 10. This was 10.
Oh, 10 grams. I'm like, what?
Right, 10 grams down. So you have 10, 7, and 9. That's right, no?
I know.
Anyway.
But guys, this was really good. I feel like it got the essence of what a sugar bun is.
So you grade that? You never grade that one?
Yeah, I was still talking about it, so I was still giving my opinion. Yes. So I was saying that, I do believe that they definitely got the essence of what a sugar bun is.
Yeah.
In terms of the size, in terms of how it's made, swirly, in terms of the sugar, in terms of the raisins. And then the moisture also is very good. I think Purity on a whole, them products usually very much. I've had their Easter bun before. What a thing, nice.
Right.
Nice.
And what I like about the package as well is that they state the price on it. So you can see the price.
What's the price on each of them?
So this one, the twist is $115. The sugar bun is $100, and the rock cake is $85.
Okay, and they're not bad. I mean, if you're on a budget and you want something quick and easy for lunch, you can probably buy a box meal, a cheese, a sugar bun, a rock cake.
That sounds like some workman.
Anyway, what I'm saying is, like, I'm not a workman. I don't have a problem eating that for my lunch. You don't understand what I say? Thumbs up if you don't understand what I say.
Yeah.
But I would definitely give the sugar bun.
A thumbs up for
thumbs up for all of them. Thumbs up for each one of these products.
Right.
Definitely.
This was our first time trying these.
It was our first time.
We normally eat the crackers, but we never tried the baked goods before. So this is our first time. But I think Purity has done a good job with the Miss Birdie line and coming up with these base products. They're really good. So we give it a thumbs up, Purity. Thumbs up, Miss Birdie. Thumbs up. And
I believe that these are available in your local supermarkets as well.
We bought them in the supermarket.
So we did buy them in our local supermarket. So you can definitely check them out. We definitely recommend that you guys try each one of these and tell us what you think about them. If you have tried them before, let us know what you think.
And if you have any suggestions like this one, let us know. And
I think it was Brit who gave us this suggestion. Yeah.
So big up yourself.
Big up yourself. You're watching.
Miss Birdie.
Big up.
Alright. So guys, here comes to the end of another episode of YaadMentz Tries. We tried some Miss Birdie products, they're baked products, and we give all of them a what?
Thumbs up. YaadMentz thumbs up.
So this is YaadMentz Tries. Stay tuned to the next episode.
Yes, please remember to subscribe if you haven't. Remember to like, remember to comment, and we'll see you in our next video.
When you're through watching this video, you can hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit the notification bell to get our latest videos. Also, head over to Instagram and follow us at YaadMentz so you can see our latest posts.